How should you be as a personality on your social media? Hi, I'm Sam from Firewave and welcome to another episode of Whiteboard Wednesday. And I was listening to a podcast this morning and heard this acronym, ATV. No, it doesn't stand for all-terrain vehicle. It stands for authentic, transparent and vulnerable. And these three things that actually, as estate and letting agents, we find really difficult to be on social media, particularly. But they're really, really important because if you're not your true self, you're not showing your kind of behind the scenes and how you work, and you're not showing a little bit of you and what you're scared of and what makes you vulnerable, then you're not really giving yourself the best possible chance to show the world your personality and what you stand for, what are your values, who are you as a person. Because as a small, local, independent estate and letting agent, that's why people buy into you. That's what people want from you. Otherwise, they can just go to a corporate instead of you, the little guy, the person who's going to care the most and do the most. So remember, ATV, and make sure that you are being authentic, transparent and vulnerable. And if you'd like to hear lots more tips like this, then you need to look for our Firewave Facebook group. This is a private group. It's just for small local independent estate and letting agents just like you. So just go to Facebook and search for Firewave Lead Generation for Estate Agents and you'll find us. Send us a request and we'll add you to the group straight away. We'll also put the link in this comment as well. So we'll see you on the next Whiteboard Wednesday. Bye for now.